guys, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. I'm happy to be in your presence today. So guys, today is about baby tights, how to knit a baby tight. A baby tight is a pant, a baby trouser with a stocking that starts it from the down part, from the foot part of it. So before I go ahead, I want to ask you, you need to subscribe to my channel. If you have been watching my video and you did not subscribe to my channel, it's unfair. I want to tell you that it's unfair. And if you are just coming by my channel for the first time, you need to subscribe so that we can have fun together in knitting. So guys, back to what I want to share with you today. I've already bring out my needle right now, and as usual, I'm using cone. I'm using 2-ply wool. I just want to introduce a little design foot at the foot part of it. So now the needle that I've brought out is 27 by 27. So I'm going to do a wrap. So throughout this knitting, I'm going to use tension 7 throughout the knitting. I'm not going to change my tension from 7 from the beginning to the end. So I'm starting with 27 by 27 needle. So I'm going to go ahead right now to do a wrap. So guys, after the wrap, so I've already set my tension to 7 and my row counter to 00 to start knitting. So I'm going to knit the foot part with 26 rows. So right now I'm going with 26 rows. Remember, it's 27 by 27 needle. So let me start knitting. So guys, we are already in 26 rows right now, the foot part of the baby tights. So I'm going to hang my comb and some claw weight because I'm going to start to knit more rows right now. So let me just hang this there with some claw weight on it. So right now I'm going to do away with my second color and go ahead by using this first color throughout the knitting right now, just to create the foot part separately, to just create a little design on it. But on your own, you can just knit it plain. So right now I'm going to knit 3 rows and create a lace hole where the string is going to enter. So that is 2, 3. Then I'm going to go ahead and create a lacy hole across this part right now. So pack the empty needle back to work and knit another 3 rows. That's it. So I have to change my row counter to 000 because these parts have ended right now. So after changing it to 00, so I have to like bring out one needle, you can see, at the both side. That's it. And knit 10 rows. So this will lead me to 100 rows. 100 rows. So I'm going to do that till my needle get to 37 by 37. By then I should have my 100 rows complete. So let me go ahead. Still tension 7. So guys, work has gotten to 100 rows right now, and you can see what we have. So I'm going to remove this and hang it up a little bit because I don't want the yarn to overstretch. So okay, so right now I'm going to mark the both side of the work with a yarn, you know, just cut it into two and mark just like that. So just to mark, right now I'm going to knit up to 160. So that is, I'm going to knit 60 rows straight up right now. So my row counter will now be 160. So let's go ahead. So guys, this is 160 rows right now. So I'm going to go into knitting of the band. You know, I'm going to knit it by selecting my needle for rib 2 by 1 and knit 50 rows, still with the tension 7. So I'm going to knit 50 rows, I mean, you know, I'm going to select to rib 2 by 1 and knit 50 rows. So after the 50 rows, I'm going to fold the band and cast off. I'm going to fold the band and cast off. So that will be the end of the first leg. So let me just do that and select my needle to rib 2 by 1. So guys, this is 50 rows of the rib right now. I'm going to fold it. So So I'm going to change my tension to 10 and make my yarn surplus, then knit one row right now. Then I'm going to cast off by not using this time around. I'm going to cast off with my hands so that I want the band area to be loose. I don't want the cast off to be tight. So I'm going to cast off manually, you know. So in other words, cast off loosely. Make sure you cast off loosely. Any method you know how to use, just make sure you cast off loosely. So guys, this is how it looks after casting off. You can see how stretchy it is. So you can see how stretchy it is. So your band should be stretched out without not having anything holding it back. So right now I'm going to go into the sewing of this tight. So guys, I'm just trying to put a little machine embroidery on this baby pint. You can see how it goes. So just want to like put a little design on it. So guys, in joining the tight right now, so you have to match the place that will mark the mark place together and sew down. You know, I'm using sewing machine just to join it. So I'm going to like mash them together like this and sew down to the feet. So I'm going to join it down to the feet part of it, this place. So make sure you open it up and match at the edge. Make sure your needle match at the edge of the seam. So guys, you can see after joining, you can see how it is. So I'm going to, you know, this is it right now. So I'm going to open this way and set it equally. I mean set it equally, not like this, that this place is more than this. You have to make sure they are equal, you know, just like this. And I'm going to sew like this straight. So that's what is so special about it, different from normal pants or tights, because this one is having a stocking along with it. So I'm going to sew just like this right now. Then let's see how it will look like. Make sure the hems did not roll in. Open it up. Let it be flat enough so that there will not be inconveniences when the baby is wearing it. So I'm going to put it and sew just at the tip. I don't want too much allowances in it. If you can use your hand to sew, perfect. So I'm going to make sure it's flat enough and small seam. So guys, you can see what we have. This is it. Let me just turn it for you to see. So this is it. So here is going to have a ribbon or a string for you to, tie it. So this is how it's going to look. So I'm going to work on the other leg and join them together. Here you will pass through maybe elastic for the band to be gripping. So guys, see you when I've complete the tights. So guys, you can see the outcome of the baby tights. So after sewing them together, the two pieces of the leg, so then with the machine embroidery on it, so you can see how the look is right now. So beautiful. So I hope you will find time to practice this and knit yours. Then I would love to see it. Just post it to me. Let me just have a look. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate. Remember to subscribe. Tell your friends about my channel. See you next time. Bye.